Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your saved password in Facebook application. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments after watching this video, and also don't forget to put your likes. So, first of all, open the Facebook app. And now you will need to go to the menu section. Then scroll to the very bottom where you'll see Sign Out. And you'll need to log out of your profile. You don't have to worry. Once you log out of your profile, all your data is saved. You can also easily log into your Facebook profile if you click Sign In. If you want to still delete your data, then you will need to click on the gear at the top. And as you can see, this is where you can delete your profile and everything associated with it. You'll be able to delete your saved login details. That's how simple it is, folks. You'll be able to delete your saved password to your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.